Does sleep apnea machine cause gas? If you're using a sleep apnea machine, also known as a CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure device, and you're feeling bloated or gassy, you might be wondering if the machine is the culprit. Let's break it down. First, it's important to understand what CPAP therapy does. It delivers a constant stream of pressurized air to keep your airway open while you sleep, which is especially helpful for people with obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. However, this pressurized air can sometimes lead to an issue called aerophagia. Aerophagia is the technical term for swallowing air. While it's normal to swallow a small amount of air during the day, especially when eating or drinking, CPAP therapy can increase this amount significantly. Here's why. During sleep, the muscles in your esophagus relax, making it easier for the pressurized air from the CPAP machine to enter your esophagus instead of just your airway. This air then travels down into your stomach and sometimes even into your intestines. As a result, you might experience symptoms like bloating, flatulence, and belching. These symptoms can be quite uncomfortable and may also contribute to stomach discomfort or pain. It's estimated that between 16% to 50% of people using CPAP machines experience aerophagia to some degree. To manage this issue, there are a few strategies you can try. One simple change is to adjust your sleeping position. Sleeping on your side instead of your back can reduce the amount of air that enters your esophagus. This position can also help reduce the pressure needed to keep your airway open, which might further decrease bloating. Another approach is to check the air pressure setting on your CPAP machine. If the pressure is too high, it could be pushing more air into your esophagus. Your healthcare provider can help adjust the pressure to a more comfortable level. Additionally, there are over-the-counter medications designed to reduce gas and bloating. While these medications are not specifically proven to relieve gas-related symptoms from CPAP use, they might still offer some relief. It's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before trying any new medications. In summary, yes, a sleep apnea machine can cause gas due to the increased amount of air you swallow during CPAP therapy. However, by making some simple adjustments to your sleeping position and possibly adjusting the air pressure, you can reduce these uncomfortable symptoms and make your CPAP therapy more effective and comfortable.